Let's watch some small video, and so that we can comment. Let's watch this video, some few minutes. Let's watch this video.
There is a native doctor in your home. Who is a native doctor?
I'm not aware.
There is a native doctor in your family. Where do you come from? Don't give it up time, please.
Edo State, from Ishan.
Ishan. You know Ogu?
Yes, sir.
Who worship this Ogu? This is Ologu. I am seeing Ologu, and this is called a rock.
I was small when they gave birth to me, so I might not know.
You know Ashawo? If you talk anyhow, I will expose that person. You know Ashawo? Tell me.
No, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm asking you.
Yes, sir.
You know Ashawo?
Yes, sir.
Be careful.
Okay, sir.
Be what?
Careful.
Shawo. Be careful. If I talk to you, you don't answer me, I will give you something that will make you to know that there is a prophet. Be careful. Let us pray. Let us pray for our marriage. Let us pray for a good marriage. Are you hearing me?
Yes, sir.
There was a man.
You know, stop there. It can't move. Later, it can't end down with the girl now shower. Now watch out. No, watch the part.
He's in anywhere in abroad. Where's the man?
Huh?
Come on. Don't go and do a shower again. Let the spirit of prostitution disappear in your life. Jesus Christ.
If you notice that part, he say, where's the man? The girl no one talk. The girl won't talk, otherwise he hits the girl for head. Come on! Let the spirit of prostitution disappear in your life. She stand up again, she hit him again. He don't declare the girl shall be that. And the girl no fit argue. Now, that stigma don't dey. Anybody will watch this video, whether 10 years or 15 years, will recognize the face. He go say, this girl na shower before where they cure. The girl no get opportunity to talk for herself because they don't tease her. They give dizzy. Put yourself like this. No, you said do yourself. Me, I say get one day when I tell one pastor, that time when I still go church, say I know the feel fine. This man carry me enter inside prayer room, start to pray for me. Now me and my sister, me and my younger sister, this man lay hand for my head, they pray. Oh yeah, leave his body down. Leave his body down. But nothing happens. The man says I know they move, but this guy starts to turn me around. See, as I turn around, and my mind tell me, say, Baba, if you know form, they're not going to leave you. And so I turn, like, I come for. Only my sister start to laugh. So anything will make you carry on like, you go faint first. You get no get opportunity. The question is, how did you move from, you know Ogun, in your village? The girl say no. To, you know Ashao, from Ogun to you know Ashao, till you don't have a husband, somebody promise you him, till finally, it can't conclude, say the girl na Ashao. How? Anyways, that's not my business. My own is that if I see una in court, I don't have 700 dead body before now. 700 deaf, 300 blind. Now I don't have 700 dead body. Una go wake am. Una go wake body that do all a miracle. Now bring on a miracle products. Una go wake dead body. Una go wake dead body. By that time, you all will learn, and people will learn the hard way. I promise you now. Don't play. You people should bring lawsuit. Bring it. You people will learn. You know I shall. I mean, I even. You know what?